In this video, I'll show you how to properly turn off Focus Assist in Windows so your notifications start appearing normally again. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your computer. You can open it from the Start menu, or simply press Windows+I on your keyboard for a quicker shortcut. Once Settings opens, click on System from the left side menu. Now scroll down a little and select Focus. Depending on your version of Windows, you might notice there's no direct button here called Turn Off Focus Assist like older versions used to have. A lot of people get confused at this point because Windows changed the naming and settings layout. So here's what you actually need to do. Go back to the main System section and open Notifications. Inside the notification settings, look for the option called Do Not Disturb. If this setting is turned on, Windows will silence many notifications, alerts, sounds, and pop-ups in the background. Simply turn Do Not Disturb off. Once you disable it, Focus Assist behavior will also stop, and your normal notifications should start appearing again. If notifications still don't appear after turning it off, try restarting your computer once so Windows refreshes the settings properly. Thanks for watching.